Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade tea, which is just basically all the ingredients is what is in your house. And this is just a very simple recipe. It's not hard to make. It's just as simple as ABC. You can make it for your household. It's got B&B organic green tea. I use organic green tea because it's also an antioxidant and it's also anti-inflammatory tea. Basically everything here has got their own nutritional value, rich in vitamin C, folate, they're antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous. They've all got all they use. They're used for cough, flu or whatsoever, chest infection, sore throat and whatsoever. I've been using this since the past. I've been doing this in the past 1 year and it's been very good for myself and my household. Everybody can take it, but just know the quantity you can take and know what you react to, know your allergens. If you react to pineapple or whatsoever, you don't use it. But this practically is very nice for everybody, and I'm going to show you the rest of the clips of the video. Stay tuned. Prepared everything, and that's the pineapple back with the stem inside. Ginger, I leave them with the skin as well. Garlic, lemon, orange skin, cinnamon stick, turmeric, black pepper, honey, then your tea bags. I use B&B because it's organic tea. B&B organic tea. You can contact me for the organic tea if you're interested. It's really very good and also help weight loss. Then you need 500 ml of water. Yes, so it's all boiled now. God, the smell is so lovely. And all you just need to do is keep reheating it till whenever it's finished. You know, it's keep extracting the rest of the juice and the herbs and the nutrients as well. But this is so lovely.